We are a startup. We're going to have 2 years in business now, and I know Clade. I think around a year and a little more. But when we started, we were a small team. We were building the platform. We were learning of our customers. And at that time, we have another kind of provider that help us with the photos. Because when you're going to publish your car, you have to give us the photos of your car. And we were working on having different angles of that photos and that stuff. At that moment, we were small, so we don't have a lot of cars coming onto the pipeline. We have, I don't know, one, two a week, something like that. It was very small. And what we were doing, we were processing the images manually. Basically, we have a designer, and the designer was doing another jobs. It was not a designer that we have for editing pictures, but because the pictures came in a lot of formats, in a lot of resolutions, in a lot of sizes, we have to process them. And one of the other things that we need to do was that we have to hide the license plate because it's a kind of a privacy thing here. So you can show in your pictures the license plate. Some clients they put a rag in there or put an icon when they take the picture. They put some happy face in the plate or something like that. But other clients didn't do that. So at the first we were processing all the photos manually. When we start growing and we start receiving more pictures, we needed to do all this process manually. And my designer was getting overwhelmed. He has a job to do with the platform. And then when it came a picture, he has to stop doing what we was doing and to do all these processes to the picture, resize them, uh, uh, adjust the resolution, and hide the plates. And when we start getting around, I think 10 cars or maybe 20 cars a week, this was a labor that took the half of the week of my design. He was editing photos. So it was something that we noticed that we were doing wrong. Probably it was going to be a very big problem in the future. And I was looking for tools. I was also we're a house that we're a company that like to develop our solutions in house. I have a develop team, and we were working with some artificial intelligence and some code in Python to hide these plates and that stuff. But happily, we find a Clade.